what did we say last week? We were looking at 68K on Bitcoin, and it broke way above it. Now, I was talking about 68K because to me, it's been a level of importance. It's been a level of significance ever since, I guess, was it back in March, and then back in June. You know what? Let's bring it back up because I'm forgetting right now. That May, June, we got above it for a little bit here in early June. Couldn't hold it. Got below 68K zone, which this orange is actually 68.2 to 68.5. This could not. The price could not hold above. Went well below. Came back. Resisted. Found support at a key level. This was our support that we kept bouncing off of, as you can see. Bodies are very close. Wick. This wick here. Y'all, 68K. Then this is back. Y'all, this is a couple weeks ago, February 18th. October 18th. Bitcoin got back to 68K. And it had been a few months. All right. And so when it got back there, if you were watching my channel, watching these videos, you can see that price got above 68K. And then they couldn't hold it. It would get above it again the next day. Couldn't stay above it. And then it got above it for a few days. I mean, the narrative was it's finally going to build above 70. The price of Bitcoin's going to stay above 70. This is on the daily chart. Let's just zoom out. Let's go to the weekly and let's see what 68K looks like. It looks like we rejected this pretty hard. Like we got above it, right? We broke above it, broke out. But that's, to me, people decipher this candle pattern different ways. I guess this is a shooting star, right? I mean, it's an inverted hammer. It's not a hanging man. I mean, it's an inverted hammer. And so some people will say this is bullish because the price got up really high. Price was trading up here. People will say so that's why it's bullish, but then you got to look at it. I think it's more bearish because it tells me that price got up there intra session, so it's not intraday. That's the week. So intra week price broke above 68K, but it could not hold it. So that tells me it was a temporary bull movement that got it up there. There's a lot of buying got it up there, but it wasn't real. It wasn't sustained. It wasn't sufficient. And I was kind of getting annoyed at myself because I kept talking about 68K so much on these days. On the 16th, on the 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, right below it, 24th, 25th, 27th. I was talking about it. Then here, it looked like we were going to bounce off of it, right? Even here it did yesterday. That was beautiful. Even that's beautiful. This right here, that's a nice, it's not a beautiful hammer. More ideally, you want a smaller body, but still, that is a hammer-like pattern for all intents and purposes. We're going to call that a hammer. And so when the price is declining and you get this hammer here with, not great volume, I guess, decent. I guess it's not good enough volume. Nowhere near as much volume as this day or this day. Nowhere near the amount of volume. And so, that hammer, it just didn't hold. But it looked pretty. It looked like, we were going to hold above this area of resistance. Just look at it back here. Look, we get above it. We hammer, bam. All right, let's go. No, fell below it. So, guys, even the monthly is showing us we're resisting at 71 pretty much, guys. 71.5. Previous month, we got to 73.5. So I guess that was because this is November. That's kind of dumb. So yeah, so don't worry about this, guys. This is a new month. We're just a few days into the month. Sorry, I kept talking. I wasn't really thinking yet about that. So weekly is what we want to look at, y'all. So right now, the question is, can we hold 64? Y'all, if you really think the price can't come to either 65.5 or to 64.5 or even to 63.5, or even to 62.8. If you don't think the price can go there, if you're just thinking, oh, we're never going there again, guys, if you think Bitcoin's just too bullish to go to these levels again, you haven't been here long enough, because it totally can, and it totally will, and it's probably going to. It's probably going to. It will probably be a good buying opportunity. There's a good chance it doesn't, guys, but you got to be ready for it, y'all. To me, I just see a price that, once again, it couldn't hold above this level. I'm just going to go from right here. That's beautiful to have. That's just boom. Pretty much bearish engulfing. That's just clean. That's just a clean light. That's a clean signal that this trend here is over. And look what happened. It kept going down. Boom. Kept going down. Bam. That's bullish. See the difference here? That's bullish. See the difference in those hammers? This isn't so much a hammer because you have like this bullish, a bull sash, where it's almost like a engulfing, but it's just like a part of an engulfing, where basically the price just it retraced a decline. Then you have this weird doji, but then you have this. This is telling you indecision. So this is telling us, what up? Guys, this right here is telling us that price go down. Price is saying, hey, not so fast. This is saying, all right, not so fast pump, slow down. Yeah, okay, easy, slow your roll. And this one is, by slowing your roll, take it down. This is go, hey, bears. Slow your roll. And that's what happened. And so, and then this oh my God, okay, that's the same one. It's very similar. That's the same exact thing we just looked at. It kind of looks like it's just kind of doing this thing, right? It's kind of just doing this thing. I think we're just going to keep going, y'all. Keep going. Keep going. It's just interesting to me that it fell below 68 yesterday and now today. And if we close below 68, if the price closes below 68, be ready to buy 64. And guys, this isn't like doomsday. This isn't me saying, well, so sorry, bull runs over. No, it's temporary, y'all. Elections tomorrow, volatility. This is like, this action is just telling us, guys, temporarily, bulls, slow your roll. So short term to midterm, I expect downward. Long term, short term downward. Midterm could be very volatile up and down. Long term, guys, you know where we're going. Long term. The moon is the first stop. Like there's no limit, no ceilings. Y'all familiar with Lil Wayne mixtape album he did? No ceilings. Look it up, guys. No ceilings. We have no ceilings. Okay. Bitcoin. See you later.